recipe video series. Today we're going to be making a fruit and spinach salad. I love this recipe because it's super easy to make, it's really fresh, and it tastes great. So we're going to begin by gathering our ingredients.
I've laid out all of our ingredients for the salad already, so let's take a look at what we're working with today. We're going to start with half a bag of spinach as the base of our salad. Spinach leaves can sometimes be a bit big and difficult to manage, so I chopped mine up into more bite-sized pieces, and I'd recommend that you do the same. Next, we have a quarter cup of raisins. If you're not a huge fan of raisins, you're welcome to substitute them with any other dried fruit, such as cranberries, cherries, or maybe blueberries. This is totally up to you. Next, we have our dressing, which is a honey balsamic vinaigrette. This dressing is super tasty and easy to put together. I prepped mine beforehand, so let's just go over the ingredients. You're going to need a quarter cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and salt and pepper to taste. Once you have all of your ingredients, then you just dump them into a bowl together and make sure to mix them up well. The oil and balsamic vinegar will want to separate from each other, so make sure it's well mixed before you add it to your salad. Last but not least, we have our fruits. We need to chop up 4 to 5 strawberries, and we need 1 can of mandarin oranges. My grocery store didn't have any mandarin oranges, so I grabbed some of the regular oranges and cut them up to make them look like mandarin oranges. This highlights one of my favorite parts of this recipe. It's so customizable. You don't need to use strawberries or oranges. You can literally choose whatever fruits you want. Apples and blueberries would be a great choice, or if you're looking for something for the summertime, maybe try to combine some different melons instead. Now that we have our ingredients, let's put the salad together. First, we're going to put our spinach in a serving bowl, which I've already done here. Then, we're going to prepare our fruit by cutting up the strawberries and draining the mandarin oranges. Next, we just have to combine all of our ingredients together. So let's add the fruit to our bowl of spinach. Then, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our dressing. I know I mentioned this before, but make sure the dressing is well mixed before you add it in. Now we're going to add our quarter cup of raisins. And then our salad is ready to be tossed. The best way to toss the salad is by using 2 forks to mix everything around. Make sure all of the ingredients are evenly distributed. Once you've tossed the salad, it's done and ready to enjoy.
So there's our final salad. I hope you enjoy yours as much as I'll enjoy mine. And please check out some of our other Eat for Health recipe videos on the website. Thanks guys, see you later.